Asia Pacific Arts Festival aims to promote harmony, peace, and global friendship through diversified cultural exchange programs, workshops, and performing arts competitions. It has been successfully held for the past 6 years with participants from China, Indonesia, Korea, Singapore, Philippines, Malaysia, Vietnam, Cambodia, and many more. The mission of this festival is to encourage youth participants to nurture and cultivate unity and peace through the understanding of the diversity of cultures, races, languages, faiths, traditions, and customs. Our vision is to ultimately attain peace and unity through mutual understanding of each other through the expression of our love for the arts.
Hello everyone. Good morning everyone, and once again welcome to ASEAN Pacific Art Festival 2019. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Boon Tiong and I'm from Malaysia. Salam sejahtera and 大家好. Okay, so the first one I would like to introduce that I would like to give you some highlights of today's, which is where we have workshop, we have prepared professionals and also experienced worldwide dancer to conduct the workshop, which is outside of the event hall. If you are interested, please go to visit our workshop, or you can visit our registration counter for further information. So without further ado, I would like to describe about the judging criteria first. There are all totals of 25 marks allocated for the technicals, musicals, performance, and also for the choreography. Okay, so let me introduce you our judges of the day, which is for the group 1. We have Mr. Wong from Malaysia, Miss Chan Fei Fei from Singapore, Miss Pakawan from Thailand, and Mr. Sean from Malaysia. So now, shall we begin our performance now? Yes. Okay, let's proceed with our first performance. I would like to invite Group 1 D133 performing Child of Paradise by Liana Warriors from Philippines, Twinkle Toes and Ballets and Music Academics. Welcome. Now the stage is yours. Thank you. Next, G1D134 performs contemporary dance by Glianas Isabelas Pericos. Titles executes from Twinkle's Toes Ballets and Music Academics, Philippines. Thank you. Next, G1D136, performing Guns of Thorns by Gara Adrians Artans from Tukas Tones Ballets and Music Academics, Philippines. Thank you. The next group, G1D137, performing Aftermath by Richelin Ara Fadalians and Maria Cassandras de los Reyes from Dance Theaters Arts, Philippines. Next, G1D13X, performing Barang Sorcery by Maxine Francesca Berengers and Carla James Boston from Dance Theater Arts, Philippines. Thank you. G1 D139, performing Radia Teens Beauties by Natalie Kentins, Mays A. Ambalins, and Jara Ardens Artans from Twinkle's Toes Ballets and Musical Center Academics, Philippines. Next, G1 D140, performing Shoulders by Jane Gabrielas Dosemes from Twinkle's Toes Ballets and Music Academics, Philippines.